Somewhere in an open field, hidden beneath years of silence, something remarkable was waiting to be found. He touched the surface gently, and the rust told its story. Years of waiting in just one single touch. The engine cold and completely still, but he saw something that others could not see. He saw what it could become. Every restoration begins with a single stroke. Slowly, the past begins to lift away. Water meets decades of dirt, and the years begin to surrender. Watch as the surface appears, one steady stream at a time. Each bolt loosened with patience, each part removed with care. He worked slowly, and he worked with purpose.
Easy now, bring it forward. Aligning, hold steady. Good, settling in.